Hello, everyone. My name is Xingye. I'm your teacher for Summer 3 Web Design class. So in the next 5 weeks, you're going to learn 8 chapters for this class. And you're going to learn the basic concept of HTML, CSS, and a little bit of JavaScript. This is a fully online class, which means we're not going to meet in person. Everything you need to know will be online. So we use Cengage Mind tab, and also we're gonna use the GitHub. So I recommend you to first register a GitHub account, and of course purchase Cengage Unlimited, or if you want just one term, it's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna share my screen with you guys to see what's inside of this class. So this is the course. Okay, I'm gonna click course home. So in the course home, first part is on the right side, you see the announcements. So during the class time, if I need to tell you anything, I will put on the announcement. On the right side, on the left side, we have those stuff, all this widget. So we can have a welcome, start here, course information, office hour, student lounge, and all the other concept. Now, let's start from the welcome, start here. Okay. You can see the information of this class. Welcome to the class information. Also, you will see meet your professor, which is me. Okay. And also it tells you how to get around the course, understand an online class, and determine your online readiness. Okay. So you can check the concept, okay, how to get around the course. Okay. To take a fully online class, you need to have self-control, motivation, self-motivation, self-control. So you have to finish the work on time. That's the key concept of taking the fully online class. Besides that, we have course information. So under the course information, you can see the objective, course schedule. I'm going to update this course schedule soon. A required textbook. So we use Cengage Unlimited. Okay. So what you can do is you can go to this modules. Module 1, get started resources, and it will direct you to the Mind tab, and you can, purchase the Mind tab use. Besides that, we have office hours. It's not required. It's like optional. So if you feel like you need to ask me questions, you can always go to Zoom link. Okay, this is a Zoom link. We meet every Monday from 1 to 2 o'clock. But if you need to talk to me in person, besides this office hour, please feel free to email me. Okay, so we can arrange some like a virtual meeting, or just email me a question. I will answer you through the email. For student lounge, if you have like a discuss with your friend, you can start discuss here. Okay, discuss with your classmate, help each other study, and have some kind of like study group. Do it here. We have the getting started resource. Of course, you can see the campus policy, and if you have any issue with the D2L, you can go to the help, which is right here. Okay. For the course concept, as you can see, we have 8 modules. Okay, we have 8 modules. Okay, for each module. Okay, so now I'm going to click the module 1 so you get the idea. So you can click any web page. So it will link you to the Mind tab. So you can purchase the Mind tab on the, this website. So if I click this, Mind tab overview, this is what's inside of module 1. Okay, like explore the history of the web, create a structure of HTML, etc. Now back to the module 1. We have a preview read. Read is a textbook. Okay, if you click the read, you go to the textbook. So which means you don't have to buy textbook separately. It will be embedded into the Cengage. Okay, I'm gonna log in. So you can log into the I'm sorry. Cengage. Okay, so we can, for some reason, give me this issue. Okay, so basically, you can see from here. Okay, this is read. Okay, so this is the readings. Okay, uh, this whole book over there. Now, in each book, it gives you a project to do. Okay, for example, you know, it tells you this curbside tie. Through the curbside tie project, you understand the basic concept of HTML. Okay, so if you want, you can try to create it on the text editor. So the text editor I recommend you will be Notepad++, or just Notepad, or just Word, okay, or any text editor your computer have, okay. Any editor is fine. So you can type on the text editor and save as .html. So then you can open your file on your browser, okay, so you can see what's going on, okay. So this is the text project, okay. Now, in the class, we need to you need to do the code challenge. Code challenge 1, code challenge 3. Basically, actually, it has in the my tab, it has 4 challenges. I pick up 2 for you guys to do. And besides this, I let you guys do the review assignment and also a case problem. Now, if you look at my syllabus, which you can find on the D2L, you're gonna find out how do I grade you guys. Okay, how do I grade you guys? Okay, I'm gonna open my syllabus. First of all, you know this is a book and it tells you our course start from July 7th to August 7th. Okay, so this is the information about the summer 3 and the tax info. Okay, keep in mind, you don't have to buy the book from the Amazon. All you have to do is buy Cengage Unlimited, and you will have the book, and you will have the platform to do your project. Now, so you can go over the syllabus on your free time. Keep in mind, we are going to, this is the course content. So we're going to have 8 chapters within 5 weeks. So you cannot just finish 1 week, 1 chapter for 1 week. That's not okay. Okay, you're going to have to be faster, maybe like 4 or 5 days per chapter. Okay. And also, if you submit late, you will have late penalty. Okay, 15 points each week. And keep in mind, the course finished at August 7th. And also, I have to submit your grade within 5 days of that time. So, which means I cannot wait for you. So, I have to submit the work. I have to submit the grade within 5 work days after the course finish. So you cannot just say, "Oh, can I give you the work like 2 weeks later or 3 weeks later?" This cannot. Okay, just cannot do that. For the grading, as you can see here, the grading will be co-challenging, which is 15%, review assignment, which is 15%, case assignment is 25%, and the final project will be 30%, and the quizzes will be 15%. Okay, so I know the most important part of syllabus is how I grade you, right? How do I give you A or B or C, right? So keep in mind, code challenges is 15 points, so 15%, which means if I go back to the module 1 as an example, okay, so each module will have 2 code challenge. So in 8 modules, you're gonna do 8 times 2, which is 16 modules, 16 code challenge. So all the 16 code challenge plus together, divide by 16 was average. So average of code challenge will be 15%, okay, times 0.15. Then the review assignment will be another 15%, just one of it. So which means 8 review assignment will be times 0.15. And each chapter have a case problem. So all the case problem together divided by 8 will be times 0.25. And at the end, we're going to do the final project. Okay, so I will provide a rubric later. And also the quizzes. So as you can see here, each section has a quick check. So I will add all the quick check together, divide by total, how many amount of the quick check, but it will be the average. So average of quick check will be 15% of grade. Together, it will be your whole grade, okay? Now, the next point is how to use GitHub. Why do I need to use GitHub? So for example, if I click code challenging, right? Code challenging. Now, it will direct me to the, okay, why it had to be good? Okay, I'm sorry. So for some reason, it gave me this issue. You know, you don't worry about it. Okay, you will be fine. You have to register it. So code challenge, right? Click this code challenge. As you can see here, it shows you code challenge. It will be your first try and start assignment now. If you click start assignment now, see it automatically link to the GitHub. If it's first time use, it will require you to register a GitHub. Okay, don't worry, it's free. Everything, I mean, GitHub is free. Okay, what happens is you're gonna set up a code space, a virtual machine, so you can post your website, okay, web page on it. So as you can see, it's working to create your code space. As you can see here, as you can see here, you have the code 1, and also see here problem. You can say yes. Okay, and then we have this instruction. So all you have to do is follow instruction right here. Follow the right side instruction to fill up left side. Then you're gonna run this. You're gonna have the first homework to do. Okay, so this is the whole challenge. Now back to the other part. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my code. Okay, I have to go back to the so code challenge, same thing. Okay, the case problem is the exact same. If I click case problem, okay, it will start the go to the GitHub. Take a while. Maybe I should close this. Okay, maybe it's faster. Okay, yes. Let me redo it. Okay. I guess because I didn't close the other one, that's why it has issues. But anyway, it will be same thing. Okay, on the right side, you're gonna see the instructions. On the left side, it will be the code part. Okay, and later on, you can see how it's run. Okay, it give you a virtual code place to see the code. Anyway, so this is a project. Beside that, let me go back to the module 1. While it's loading, let's look at this quick check. So the quick check are multiple choice questions. Each section will be multiple choice questions. Okay, keep in mind those are small quizzes, which altogether will be 15 points. I don't know what happened to this. Okay, wait a second. So okay, now as you can see screen now GitHub stuff. Okay, so you're gonna build a website. Okay, so this is start a new file. and you have some building CSS, which you're gonna add concept inside, okay? And also the GTC index, okay? This is the header, you're gonna do that, okay? A service and a phone, they give you a picture right here. Okay, this is a picture you have to use, okay, to link it. Okay, so you're gonna create a web page, so you can find the result on your textbook. On the reading part, you're gonna see what should be look like, what it should like looking like at the end. Okay, so you go to the reading. If you go to the reading, okay, go to the reading menu. Okay, see here on the bottom. So review, challenge problem. Okay, review problem. This is a case problem. So your project code challenge should look like this. Okay, and also for the code challenge question, you can see from here. Okay, so if you want, you can have like two screens. One screen show you the textbook, one screen show you the GitHub. Of course, if you want to have just one screen, just do everything on the GitHub, because GitHub does have the instructions for the code challenge. Okay, so that's the information. That's the thing you should know. I guess that's for every module. It's look like this. Okay, so I guess that's the basics introduction for my class. And if you have any question, please email me. Thank you very much. I will see you later. Bye.